All right, guys, we've got the Sintege Robe Belt Replacement. This is a white cotton terry cloth hotel bathrobe belt replacement for men or women. It is 71 inches by 2 inches. I think it's a great value. Obviously, like if you lose something like this, it's kind of hard to find replacements for stuff like this. So there it is. Really nice, perfect, kind of has a nice thickness to it. It feels, I would say a lot of these bathrobes, you're going for more of a high-end vibe. It to me, it's got that terry cloth vibe, and it's also got that thickness to it, which to me screams quality, or I should say maybe it whispers quality, and maybe it whispers luxury. Super nice. If you can see it there, here's the end right here. Again, 71 inches by 2 inches. And I think this is perfect. It's kind of hard to find things like this. So get it.